Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean concrete using a power washer. We used it to clean our driveway as well as the front of the house. We do not own a machine. We ended up renting one from Home Depot. We rented the MITM brand and it was pretty economical. I believe it was only like $50 for the day. So as you can see, it's a small model. It's not a huge machine. It's very easy to use. The PSI number that you're going to be seeing in a second is the pounds per square inch of cleaning pressure that this machine can produce. That 1.5 GPM is the gallons per minute that the machine has the water going through it. So it only needs a power cord, which the machine has one, but my husband preferred to use one that is way longer because he was doing the driveway. They come with these bits, which are the bits that are going to be showing the shape of the water, how it comes out. And they come with the machine, so you don't have to rent them or buy them separately. They are very easy to install, and we're going to be showing you that in a second as well. So as you can see, the machine has two hoses. The one that's leaking the water is the one that connects to your output water from your home. The other one hose is the one that's going to be connected to the nozzle that we're going to be using to clean the floor. As you can see, the assembly, it's actually very easy. The way that you put the bits on the nozzle, this is what it looks like without the hose connected. It looks like a gun, so it's gonna be like shooting a gun, a water gun or whatever. At the tip of that nozzle is where you're gonna be installing the bits. You just grab it, pull down, you stick it in there, and then that's it. And to remove it, you do the opposite. You press down, you take it out. And as you can see, we're using that one for that particular shape. The other ones that you saw on the machine before, they were a little different. So you just use whatever one is easier for you. The hose, as you can see, is connected in the back, and that's it. I suggest that when you start cleaning, you do it like in a methodical way. You know, you don't just go nilly-willy getting everything wet. Try to see a pattern. As you can see, my husband, those are his feet, Patrick. He is going line by line, like pretending there's a line or something and just kind of overlapping a little so that he doesn't miss any spots. Yeah, you can use a broom and you can clean it before you do the water. But with the water, you also are getting any little crevice that a broom may miss if you're not very methodical or if it's windy or something. So as you can see, he's just kind of stopping on some of the spots that he's finding. We are going to be going back over those, so don't concern yourself too much with going and getting every spot on the very first try. The very first try is pretty much to get everything that's easy to remove, and then you keep going. You of course, you know, he's stopping in every spot he's seeing, but just to like give him a head start of the removal. He then continued on to the rest of the walkway, and as you can see, he's still doing it in a pretty methodical way. It's very easy, it's very fun. I was doing the camera work because it was such a weird day. I just didn't have time to put everything on the tripod and stuff, so as much as I wanted to do it, I let him do it. Plus I could tell that he really wanted to, so maybe next time it'll be me. But you just continue going. Like I was telling you before, the rental of the machine was very easy. They just ask you for a deposit, which ends up being the money that you pay. So we went in the morning, picked up the machine, gave a $50 deposit, and then when we went back to return it, then it was just $1 more. So the whole thing ended up costing $51. So as you can see, now he did go back and he's taking more time to remove the spots on the ones that he had previously done. So don't be afraid to go back and do it as many times as you need to. Some of these are very stubborn, but if you go back and do it again, over again, it's gonna work out for you. It did for us. Don't forget to go and cover every area that you need to. Don't forget the corners. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you always get notified when I put up a new video. And I'm also going to put some links to some machines that you can buy if you want to buy. They're not that expensive. They're all kinds of prices. Just don't forget to look for the PSI number and for the gallons per minute number. Those are the important things to look for. But look, this is the final result. It was very easy. It was done in one morning and it was very inexpensive. So don't be intimidated. Try it. Have fun doing it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Bye-bye.